Hi friends, thank you so much for clicking my videos. Today I'm going to show you about my work, my updates, the way I'm growing my plants. So I'm going to show you about my work. You can see after I planted the new Kiki has came, right? It's coming, yeah. So every week I will update you about all my work. So you will know how to grow Catalia or all the orchids. Yeah, you can see the Kiki came out, right? Yeah, it's all my update. The people are talking too much. So many restriction. Don't do this. Can see the Kiki, right? Only how many days? I just planted only. Yeah, you can see that the bulb almost died, but the two Kikis just came out, right? You can see the wow. It's like nothing left, but two Kiki already came out, right? So it will be very nice plant. I believe that. You can see the root. So even one bulb also you don't throw away, okay? Don't throw away. Just keep for a few days, then you can see the kikis. So hopefully you can grow your orchids. The people are talking too much about so much restriction about the orchid. Don't give too much water. Don't do 45-degree water. Wow. Just as I am a gardener, I'm just telling you that two things about the two things only. Don't give too much water to the orchids and stay away from the direct sunlight. That's all. I believe that you can grow your orchid. So thank you so much